Give it a little twist off. There we go. Then we get the likewise adapter. Again, that's likewise M12. Oh, the likewise M12 1.25 millimeter. See if it will adjust. Whatever. Alright, and then we screw this bad boy on. There we go. We'll use the Allen wrench to give it a nice snug fit. That should be good. And re-unboxing the likewise shifter. Shift knob, oops. There we go. Alright, so let's throw her on. I think I want it to land this way, so if I screw it on facing that way, it should land that way. Nope, it lands forward. How do we... make adjustment for that? Install tutorials. What a noob. Alright, we'll be right back after this messages. Alright, let's install it now, and let's have it facing our this face facing this way. According to the instructions, we're supposed to use this Allen key not to tighten this on, but use this threaded bottom portion to use a wrench to tighten it on, which I went back and did, and I got a wrench and I tightened it right here. And then you adjust this adapter thread. Alright, so you can see this on the Likewise website. It's their install instructions. So it says, if the logo on the shifter is not facing your preferred direction, take note of the number of degrees that the logo is off from the desired position. Remove the shifter and unscrew the set screw, which is that top screw with the Allen wrench. By matching the amount of degrees, reinstall the shifter to check the logo alignment and repeat adjustment if necessary. So you can see in the video on the left, it's showing you how to move the Allen screw, and you can see how we got it to face the right way. So say if the face is facing this way, we want to turn it, the adapter thread, kind of towards me and make an adjustment. Small adjustments will be pushing up at the top so that it can't thread any further, and get it to the right angle that we want. So theoretically, this should face the proper way now. Once I tighten it up. Yep, there we go, see? Perfect. Got our ookie dookie spooky ghost. Alright, that was kind of weird.